Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. As you read by the title, then you already know that today's video is another hair collab. I collabed with Atina Hair. If you are interested in how I got this quick, easy, on the go look, then keep watching. I feel like this hair is really like a on the go look. You can really put this on and go. Like, it gives such a natural look, natural install, y'all. I will definitely recommend this hair for it to not be human hair 100%. Yes, it is definitely a look, definitely a vibe, definitely easy to maintain. This hair also can flat iron on a low degree. It also can get wet, like you can wash it. The shipping did not take long at all, honestly. So this is the final look. I had decided to wear my hair into a bun because it looks like extra natural. But yes, y'all, I do recommend. I do like this hair. So if you are interested, go shop. Everything that you need to know will be in the description box. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to go follow me on Instagram and on Snapchat if you already haven't. Also, don't forget to tell a friend to learn about my channel. And I will see y'all in my next video. Oh, I wanted to show y'all how the back of the 360 lace wig looked it. I did not glue it all the way down properly because, you know, I probably just keep this hairstyle up for a few days. But I do like it. I do recommend. It is very soft. It does look very natural. Like, y'all definitely can get away with this. So yes, y'all, go shop. You can use my discount code as well. So don't say I did not plug.